Well, Instagram is randomly disabling accounts right now, and yours could be next. If you don't want to lose your account overnight, do these settings as soon as possible. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your specific account that you don't want them to disable it. Now move into your profile. Once you're in this page, click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Inside Settings and Activity, you need to move into Account Center. Now head over to Password and Security. You will see the option of Verification Selfie. Tap on it. Well, you will need to verify your identity and account with Selfie. Click on Next at the bottom of the screen. Now simply enter the code that you will be receiving on your WhatsApp. Once you've entered the code, now all you need to do is tap on Continue. Once you're in this page, now what you need to do is tap on Start Selfie at the bottom of the screen. First thing you should know that you should use a well-lit area. Hold your phone at eye level and then follow the instructions on the screen. Once you're ready, tap on Start Selfie. Now take the selfie following their instructions. Once you're done taking the selfie, your account verification will be done within a few hours. That way, you will not be able to lose your account. So this is one of the important steps before your account gets disabled. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.